And the excitement was at its peak at the Rick's Bar at the Taj Mahal Hotel in Delhi. Keeping up with the annual tradition of awarding the capital's best bartender, the hotel hosted the Rick's Bartender of the Year award.
Began fashionably late. The event was the final contest between South City bartenders, all eyeing the Rick's Bartender of the Year award. The guest list included the glitterati of the capital, who also coupled as judges for the event. We asked them what they were looking for in the winner of the competition, and this was their portion.
Great tasting cocktail or great tasting drink, you know. So I think that's primary, but I think what is also important in a space like this is the presentation and yes, definitely the showmanship of a bartender. That's what they are known for, you know, that little bit of juggling and a little bit of the little tricks that they do with their hands, which you just wonder how.
The attempt would be to find somebody who can conjure up a drink which has an Indo-Western feel. We shouldn't lose the ability of being one with a global palate in terms of drink. I think the idea is to not only have Western drinks, the idea is to see what the talent out there can show in terms of a hybrid Indian and a Western drink.
Interestingly, the judging panel was split into two parts. Half of them watched the show and marked in style and technique, while the other half awarded marks for taste and presentation. Each participant was required to make 2 entirely new cocktails to win the ultimate prize, a trip to the world's favorite tourist destination, France. In the end, bartender Nitin Tiwari from the Rick's bagged the first prize, bowling the audience over with his confidence and conversational skills. But surprisingly, he credited his success to a completely different focus.
But the most important thing that I like is the garnish of the drink. I want to be always creative with the garnish.
There was just one thing to rue about at this ceremony. One didn't get to witness much of what is called flair bartending, juggling with bottles and playing with fire. Barring one city bartender, none of the others entertained the audience with their jugglery skills, which was a pity at an event that was celebrating excellence in bartending. Priyanka Nath, Delhi. Headlines Today.